Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about some concepts related to chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. First of all, I shall discuss about right hand limit. So here I shall write right hand limit. Right hand limit means RHL, right hand limit. Let us see how right hand limit sense is represented. Here I shall write lim, let lim means limit. Let lim x tends to a fx. Fx is a function. So here I shall read let limit x tend to a f of x. Fx is a function. And since here right hand limit is there, right hand is there, so here always plus sign will be there. X tend to a, that is fixed, raised to the power plus. Since here right hand, right, here right is there, here right is written, so here always right plus. What it will meaning? It gave to imply that here notion is x tend to a plus. So here it can be written x tend to a plus can be written as x tend to a plus h. This is the notion. A tend to a raised to the power plus x tend to a plus h can be written. Like this right hand limit will be represented. So here you can write since x is equal to a, it will become implied that a tend to a plus h implied that h tend to 0. H tends to 0. So here you have got h tend to 0. So in place of x I shall write a plus h. So this is the notion. This can be represented as, here I can write limit lim h tends to 0. Here I can write when h tends to 0, then x equal to x tend to a plus h. It will be written. So here limit h tend to 0, and h tend to 0, it will become here write f, and in place of x I can write a plus h. So here write a plus h can be written. So lim, here I have written lim x tend to a positive f of x equal to lim when h tend 0. So in place of x I can write a plus h. This is the notion. Note of it. Now here I shall represent left hand limit. So here write left hand limit. Left hand limit means LHL. Left hand limit. Let lim x tend to a f of x. So here you can see left hand is written. The left hand, left. In case of left, here minus sign will be written. The lim x tends a negative fx imply that here it is written x tend to a negative. It will become x tend to a minus h. Since x बराबर a, here it is x बराबर a, so then it will become a tend to a minus h. In this case, you can write very well h tend to 0 when x equal to a minus h can be written. Here you can see minus h is there in right hand side. That will be moved back to left hand side. To here it will become h tend to a minus a comes out to here 0. h tend to 0 when x equal to a minus h. h tend to 0 when x equal to a minus h. So here it can be written as lim h tend 0 f, and in place of x I can write a minus h. So here write a minus h can be written like this. The left hand limit LHL, let limit x tends a negative of x. The lim h tends 0, h tends 0, it will become, in place of x I can write a minus h. So this is the case you have got here. So this is the first concept, this is the second concept, and here I shall write third concept. Test for continuity. Now test for continuity I shall discuss here. Test for continuity. This is the formula you must remember. Test for continuity imply that let fx is a function which is continuous at x बराबर a. Let f of x is a function which is continuous at x equal to a when f of a is equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit comes out to be. So here it will become, I can write f of a equal to left hand limit lim x tends x बराबर a, x equal to a it is given. I can write here x tend to a negative. X tend to a negative since left hand limit is there. Left hand limit, left hand, left, for left I shall write negative. F of x is equal to lim x tends a positive fx comes out to be. This is the formula you must remember. Test for continuity implies that let fx is a function which is continuous as x equal to a. When f of a equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit, imply that f of a equal to, for left hand limit I can write lim x tends a negative. For left, here negative sign will be there. Lim x tends a negative fx equal to, for right hand I shall write here positive. So here a positive. Lim, this is lim x tends a positive fx. These are the some basic concept you must remember. This is the case you must remember. Right hand limit, left hand limit, and test for continuity. Note of it. This is an important concept I have explained here. And next concept is right hand derivative. So here, if I shall write here right hand derivative, so here I shall write right hand derivative. Right hand derivative implies that right hand derivative, here capital R is there, so here write capital R. And derivative means differentiation. The derivative, for derivative I shall write here f dash, क्योंकि a का right hand derivative. This is the notion. Right hand derivative comes out to be, right hand derivative comes out to be right hand derivative at x equal to a. X equal to a. Right hand derivative. So here I shall write, for right hand derivative I shall write here f a plus h minus f of a whole upon h. This is the formula you must remember. For right hand derivative, you must remember right hand f dash a. First derivative is equal to f of a plus h minus fa whole upon h. This is the some formula you must remember. How it is written? Left hand, right hand derivative. This is right hand derivative, you must remember. So this is the right hand derivative. For right hand, for right, here I capital R, derivative, this is the notion of derivative, f dash a is equal to, this is the formula, a plus h, f of a plus h minus fa whole over h, at right hand derivative at x tends A. X tends A. Here you can write X tends A. X tends A, right hand A plus H. It will comes out to be like this. Here you can see X tends A plus H. That's why written A plus H. This is the formula you must remember. These are the some concepts which I have discussed today. You must always remember. 4 concepts I have explained in detail. Okay guys, thanks.